Hello students, today I am going to explain you how to draw angles using protractor. You know there are 4 types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. So first I will teach you how to draw acute angle. Before that I will tell you what is a protractor and how do we use. First of all, to draw an angle you need a protractor. It will be like this semicircle shape and you can see 2 places also numbers. So you will be thinking which one I should use. If we are using this left side, you have to use the numbers below. Okay, left side means below. Suppose if we are drawing towards the right side, you have to use the numbers above. Same measuring also, same thing only. And not only you need protractor, you need a scale also. Okay, so let's start. Suppose I want you to draw 60 degree. It is acute angle. Okay, 60 degree. So first of all, draw a straight line. Already you know, right? Actually, you have to use a pencil. But in video, it will not be seen. I am using a marker. So draw a line, straight line. Okay, next. Now, how to keep the protractor properly? So I am going to draw left side only. So now, can you see this line? Here one line is there and middle one line is there, no? So this line should merge on your straight line, the down line. So like this. See now, your line is hidden, right? Like that, it should merge. Now you are keeping left side. So you have to see the numbers below. Now search for 60. See it's starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now straight to this 60 here, keep a point. Straight to this big line. Okay, now remove the protractor slowly. Now use the scale and join from this line to this line like this. Yes, now this is 60 degree. This space is 60 degree. You can't just leave the lines like that. You have to keep a name. So I will keep A, B, C. In short form, you can write like this. Angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. The symbol is called angle. This is an acute angle. So I will show you 2 more examples. Then I will teach you obtuse angle. Now see, let's draw for 85 degree. So first rule is what? Draw a straight line. Okay, now take out the scale. Now use your protractor. First keep here correctly in the your line and that line should merge. Okay, yes. Now it is 85 degree and you are keeping left side. So see the numbers below. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 is here. After 80 only 90, right? So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 this line. Now remove the protractor, join with the scale. Actually 85 is acute only. After 90, from 91 it becomes obtuse. Till 89 it is acute only. Always you have to write the angle here. 85 degree. I will keep the name P, Q, R. So angle PQR is equal to 85 degree. Now I will give you some sums. You can draw first acute angle. Now draw for these angles. Pause the video. Draw for 30 degree, 45 degree, 78 degree. These are all acute angles because these are all less than 90. Less than 90 means it's acute angle. Now let's learn for obtuse angle. So what is the angle? 120 degree. It's greater than 90. So it is obtuse angle. So first draw a straight line, same condition only. Always we will draw the angle from left side only. So you have to see the numbers below. In case sometimes if you want to measure this side, you have to see the numbers above. So first condition is draw a line, then merge the line. Now start, where is 120? Count from the numbers. So here you can see 120. So straight, don't join with protractor because it will be small. So remove the protractor, join with scale. Always when we measure or start geometry, you have to use the new things. If you use old things, the numbers will not be seen. So can you see the open mouth? Yeah, obtuse means it will be open. So now you can give any name. X, Y, Z. So it is X, Y, Z. 120 degree. When you draw in pencil, it should be light. It should not be so much dark and you should not erase also. So same like this you can draw further obtuse angle. I will give you sums. Now draw for these 140 degree, 175 degree, 150 degree. Compulsory have to give names. So it's all greater than 90, it is obtuse angle. Next to the last example I am going to show you right angle. What is right angle? Yes, 90 degree. It will be like exactly L shape. But how to draw? Let's see. Let us check whether it is in L shape. So first draw a straight line. Same way, keep it this way. Now see, where is 90? 90 both the sides same only. So keep it here. Now join. Can you see what shape it is? Yes, L shape. This is, for this you have to draw square, 90 degree. So you can give a name, O, P, Q. So angle OPQ is 90 degree. It is called right angle. So what did you learn? Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. So how to use? First draw a straight line. Then keep this protractor and this, the bottom line and your line should merge. Then you have to see the numbers below. And you have to draw neatly also. So try this. Thank you.